Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here just with a little small project reveal. And excuse me, I had showed this in a haul video that I had purchased some of the Anna Griffin cards from my aunt, and I'm just assembling for her because she doesn't have running tape and all this stuff, you know, two-sided tape. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything together for her, and I'm just showing you what they look like. So these are the pre-made kits that you can purchase from Anna Griffin from Tuesday morning. And excuse me, sorry about the lighting. It's nighttime. I have to do it when I can. Pretty much follow her template, except I just added one little piece of paper to it just to make it my own, but it's basically her layout, her design. So the first set of cards, and each pack has 4, and I think I got like 6 different packs, so I'm just going to show you 2 packs, and as I finish them I will show you the other ones. So this first pack of 4, it comes with the sentiments, the cards, and the envelopes. All the packs do. And this one is just called Thank You by Anna Griffin. And this is what they look like. And so most of y'all have seen that. That's the embellishments. You just put them on the card. So, and they give you dimensional tape. So I'll just show you, if I added something. But it's basically exactly her design. So the only thing I added was this little gold strip down the middle. But this is her design. This is all her designs up on dimensional, and they're all black on the inside. So you can just personalize it like she wants. But it says thank you very much. This one says thank you, and the only thing on this one I added was this little teeny gold piece of a banner under there. And again, this is her element. Anna Griffin's is up on dimensional. I added a gold strip behind that one as well, and this one just says thank you very much again. And this one says many thanks, and just added that gold metallic piece of paper under there as well. So these are the coordinating envelopes. That's the inside of the coordinating envelopes. And what I'm going to do is just get one of my embossing folders to say for this one thanks, which I meant to do this ahead of time, but I didn't because I need to get these videos up. So anyway, I'm just going to run this through with the We Are Memory Keepers of Embossing Photo strip that says thank you. So that'll be on the back of these envelopes, so she'll know which envelopes go with which cards. And then the second set that I'm going to show you right now, these are the For My Friend. And these come out periodically at Tuesday morning, and styles may vary, but basically the same. They're like $2.49. So again, same thing. Only thing I added here was that little piece of metallic, and I added those enamel dots. And again, blank on the inside. This one I just added this little red strip down the back. And again, her elements are all popped up on dimensional foam tape. And again, this says for my friend. All of these said for my friend. This one was a little different. I mean, it's not a lot different, but my star here had a little issue, so it was a little wonky, so I had to cut my star off and it's separated, so I made it over here like it was part of a banner, tucked it under. The rest of the element is popped up, and I just put some flat back pearls there in that red strip. So I was trying to salvage it, and so I had to cut it in half. And then the last one says dear friend, and this one did not go all the way from end to end, so I just cut it a little bit to make it a little even, because one side was shorter than the other, but it did not make the whole 5x7, so I just trimmed it down some since it wasn't going to make it like it was supposed to be, so that might be why it was in the store. But anyway, so and that is the last one, and this is the insert for that, the little dots on the inside, which you may not be able to see. And for this one, I think I'm going to emboss this one with the word hello. So that's my 2 sets of cards, and I'll come back as I finish the other sets and just show you, because sometimes you purchase these things and you don't know what they look like put together, and that you can, flip them up however you want to. And again, I didn't do anything drastic because I didn't have stuff necessarily to match all these colors, but I just want to do a little something to personalize it. And you don't have to. You can just keep it exactly like the way Anna made them. But those were the 2 packs that came from Tuesday morning. The thank you and the for my friend. Alright, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.